Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Need to withdraw your earnings from Warrior Plus? Here's a quick and easy guide to help you out. First of all, log into your Warrior Plus account using your username and password. After that, go to the account menu in the top right corner and click on e-wallet to access your earnings. Now, click withdraw. Check your available balance and select your preferred withdrawal method, such as PayPal. Then enter your withdrawal amount and ensure your payment details are correctly set up. If you are withdrawing for the first time, you might need to verify your account using your national ID card, um, passport, etc. Now, click Withdraw and confirm your request. Your funds will be processed and sent to your chosen method within the specified time frame. And that's it. Your Warrior Plus earnings are now on their way to your account. And that's it. Warrior Plus helping you earn and grow. Withdraw your money with ease today. Thanks for watching.